Welcome guys. In this video, we are going to look at how to install CodeBlocks on Windows. Before moving into the installation, I have a warning for you. The download page is honestly kind of confusing and tons of people ends up downloading the wrong file. When they try to run their code, they get a massive wall of compile errors and they have no idea why. So don't skip this video and watch till the end, so you will not get into those compile issues. First, open your favorite browser. In the search bar, type CodeBlocks download and press enter. In here, simply click on this downloads link. In here, click on the binary release. In this page, scroll down to bottom, and in here you have to choose setup with the MinGW. So simply click on this sourceforge.net. So this will automatically start downloading the code blocks. So here it is. The download has started. Here I am going to close this download because I have already downloaded it. Once your download is complete, simply click on that setup. Then you can close your browser. Once you click on the setup, you will see this installation wizard. So simply click on next. Here you have to choose I agree. Then click on next. Then here they are asking for the installation folder. If you want to change this installation directory, simply click on browse and choose the folder you are interested in. I am going to keep it as default one and simply click on install. Now the installation process has started. This can take several minutes based on the computer's performance. Once the installation is finished, they are asking to run code blocks. So click on yes. Simply click next and finish this setup. In here, click on OK. In here, CodeBlocks is asking to set the default compiler for C or C++ file types. So if you are interested to use this as default compiler, you can click on the yes. If not, you can simply click on OK. So now let's check CodeBlock is working fine. Simply click on File, then New and Empty File. So we have to press Ctrl and S so we can save this file on desktop. Name it as, you can give any name here. Click on save. Now let's run a hello world program. So here is our hello world program. Simply click on this run button. So they are asking to build. Click on yes. Here it is. The program executed successfully. So CodeBlocks is working fine. So this is the end of our video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.